Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can share your AI on the Facebook post. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and go to AI chat box and you will comes in this section, and whenever you click on three dots you will see this pop-ups menu. You have to simply click on share AI, and there you will see on the top share at Facebook, share to Facebook. Click on that and then you will pop up over here this link on your post, and you can simply type over here your caption if you want to add over here, like any caption that you can share with your friends. So how to I am adding over here how to share AI to Facebook, and then that's it, and then click on post, and then it's gonna be post on your Facebook, and that's it. That's how you can share your AI to Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.